am Jennifer and I have something so special to share with you today. I can't wait to tell you all about it. Our friends have just sent us the most beautiful gift. It's a lovely fresh wreath from Lynch Creek Farm. It is absolutely beautiful, and when I opened the box, it smelled so fragrant and so wonderful. I couldn't wait to take it out and see how beautiful it was. It came with a lovely large red ribbon with a beautiful gold accent on the underneath side, and it also came with some wonderful lights that we could put on and have outside to come on in the evening. It gives you a choice of clear or colored lights, and the lights even have a timer. Once you set the timer, it comes on that same exact time every evening and stays on the same amount of time. For 6 hours it'll stay on, lighting up the path in our courtyard. It is just absolutely stunning. What a very special gift. In addition to beautiful wreaths, Lynch Creek Farm also has wonderful tabletop trees, centerpieces, garlands, and other special gifts. Be sure to check out their website. I'll leave the information below. I'm so happy and grateful you were here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas.